Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson forests and water resources. In the forest lesson we learned about forests as an important natural resource, types of forests and their importance, deforestation, conservation of forests. All these points we learned in this lesson. So, we revise the lesson in some points. Point 1. A forest is a large area of land thickly covered with a tree having a rich natural environment. Forests help the environment in many ways. Forests prevent soil erosion, provide food and shelter for wild animals, and give us thousands of products as an resins, rubbers, honey, lac, and gum, nuts, fruits. Forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees and having a rich natural environment. Forests help the environment in many ways. Forests prevent soil erosion, provide a food shelter for wild animals, and give us lots of products such as resin, rubber, honey, lac, gum, nut, and fruits, etc. Indian forest types include evergreen forest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest, scrub and thorny forests. Deciduous forests are called the monsoon forests. Deciduous forests are called monsoon forests. Deforestation is the permanent destruction of forest. Deforestation is the permanent destruction of forests. Next, forests are natural, renewable resources and must therefore be nurtured. Forests are natural, renewable resources and must therefore be nurtured. Understood, no kids? Next is exercise revision. Question 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Already we filled it. Okay? So, we are revising now. Revising. A. The in place of dash, which word is here? Evergreen. The evergreen forest are found in the hot, wet region and receive a heavy rainfall. Evergreen forests are found in a hot, wet region that receive a heavy rainfall. B. Cinnamon. Not a mango, not a palm. Cinnamon has a medicinal value. Cinnamon has high medicinal values. Deodar grows in the coniferous forests, not ebony rosewood. Answer is deodar grows in the coniferous forests. D. One-horned rhinos. One-horned rhinos are protected in Kaziranga National Park in the Assam. E. Deforestation involves cutting down of trees. Deforestation involves cutting down of trees. Okay, now next question. Question number 2. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. We already ticked it, crossed it. Everybody did it no? Crossed it no? Ticked no? Solved it, tick the correct statement and cross for the wrong ones. Okay, again once time you check that one and learn that, revise that one. A. Forests are renewable natural resources. Yes, correct. B. The Jim Corbett National Park is in Assam. The Jim Corbett National Park is in Assam. Wrong. Odisha has thorny forest. Wrong. Carbon dioxide gas is produced by the plants during the photosynthesis. Wrong. Rosewood trees are found in deciduous forest. Wrong. Okay kids, next turn the page. Third question, answer the following. Name 5 natural resources. 5 natural resources. Answer A. Water, animal and plant life, soil and minerals. Question B. What is a forest? Name the different types of forest found in India. Answer. A forest is a large area of land thickly covered with the trees and having a rich natural environment. Types of forests found in India: coniferous forests, evergreen forests, deciduous forests, thorn and scrub forests. Next question. Question C. State 4 uses of forests. Answer. Forests provide us food and shelter for wild animals. Forests absorb the many toxic gases and thus purify the air. The forest has lots of trees. The roots of trees hold the forest soil particles together and prevent the soil erosion. Forests also give us different kinds of fruits and nuts and valuable medicinal herbs. Okay kids, next question. What are the ill effects of deforestation on our environment? Answer is deforestation also lead to increase a carbon dioxide level in atmosphere, soil erosion, natural disasters such as the flood, landslides due to the climatic changes. Furthermore, destruction of the forest means loss of habitat for the animals and plant life too. Okay, next question. Question E. What is the difference between teak trees and bubble trees? What is the difference between teak trees and bubble trees? Teak trees found in deciduous forest. Deciduous trees shed their leaves every year. In India, deciduous forests are found in the foothill of the Himalayas and the Deccan Plateaus. Bubble trees found in thorny and scrub forests. These forests are mostly found in and around the dry desert areas such as Gujarat, Rajasthan, etc. Okay kids, here forest lesson revision, exercise revision over. Now we are going to revise the water lesson. In this lesson we learned about importance of water as a natural resource, irrigation and its importance, dams and their importance, conservation of water, how to conserve the water. We all these points learned in this lesson. So let us see. We are revising the lesson in some points. Point 1. Water is one of the major necessity of life. Water is one of the major necessity of life. Without water, no life. Yes or no kids? We need water. 2. In India, development of irrigation system is necessary as we depend heavily on monsoons for our agriculture requirements. In India, development of irrigation system is necessary because as we depend heavily on monsoon for our agriculture requirements. Groundwater is pulled out using a tube well for irrigation. Groundwater is pulled out using a tube wells for irrigation and regular use. 4. Dams are also used for irrigation to generate electricity from water or hydroelectricity. Dams are also used for irrigation and generate electricity from water or hydroelectricity. 5. We must recycle water in order to conserve it. We must recycle water in order to conserve it. Next is exercise. Now we are going to revise the exercise. Already we solved it. We written the fill in the blanks, true or false, and question answers. Now we are going to revise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Canals are dug in ground to direct water to the field. Canals are dug in the ground to direct water to the fields. B. Hirakud Dam is built across which river? Mahanadi River in Odisha. C. The Krishnarajasagar Dam has garden attached to it and called the Vrindavana Garden. D. Bhakra Nangal is one of the biggest dam in the world. Bhakra Nangal is one of the biggest dam in the world. E. Underground water is drawn using hand pumps. Underground water is drawn using hand pumps, that is called a bore well. By bore well we draw water or by hand pumps. Using hand pumps, underground water is drawn out. Next question number 2. Tick the true statement and cross for the wrong ones. Already we did it. Okay, so let us see. A. Rivers are in the main sources of fresh water. Wrong. B. Dams help in bringing water to vast areas of land for the purpose of the cultivation. Yes, correct. Dams are help in bringing water to vast area of land for the purpose of cultivation. Correct. C. Water is used to generate hydroelectricity. Yes, correct. Dams are built across lakes. Wrong. Dams are built across the rivers. E. Polluted or dirty water is that which is unfit for use. Yes. Polluted water is unfit for use. Here, true or false, tick correct or wrong also over. Next question number 3. Answer the following questions. What is irrigation? How is it important to us? Answer. Providing water to fields through canals is called the irrigation. This reduces our dependence on rain, so it is very important to us. Question B. What are multi-purpose projects? Answer. Dams ensure an adequate supply of water by storing it in time of the surplus and releasing it in time of the scarcity, thus also preventing the flood. Dams are also used to generate hydroelectricity. For this reason, they are also called the multi-purpose projects. Next question C. How does water get dirty? What are its ill effects on living things? Answer is, when factories dump toxic waste into the rivers, the water gets polluted or get dirty. Polluted or dirty water is unfit for use and often dangerous. Last question. What is recycling of water? Why is it important? Answer is to conserve water means to use it carefully so as to avoid wastage. We can reuse water for different purposes, thus avoiding its wastage. This is called the recycling of water. Okay, kids, here our both lessons revision over. Today's your homework is you read the lesson, read the exercise and by the question answers. Thank you for watching the video.